Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Music and Arts 7, Lesson 1 of Matatag curriculum. Contemporary and emerging music and arts of the Philippines and the Southeast Asia and their cultural influences. Learning objectives. Review, analysis of SB19's Gento through musical and visual elements.
Dito basta-basta bindo, need mo makumpleto parang bento, gento, ano kaya mo? Kahino kayang bubunan makakita lang ng hinto, hinto, kahit na wala pang hinto, 100% bawat.
Elements of music, for reference only. Elements and principles in visual arts. Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia is a culturally diverse, historically significant, and economically dynamic region of Asia, consisting of 11 countries, including Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, Brunei, Timor-Leste, East Timor, and Malaysia. Performing arts. Performing arts encompass a range of art forms that are performed live before an audience. These reflect cultural heritage, provide entertainment, provoke thought on social issues, foster community, and educate audiences about diverse cultures and histories. Kinds of performing arts. Vocal art involves using the human voice to create music, convey emotions, or tell stories. It encompasses singing, chanting, spoken words, and vocalizations in various musical genres and contexts. Instrumental art revolves around creating music using musical instruments without vocal accompaniment. This includes playing instruments like pianos, guitars, violins, and drums to produce melodies, harmonies, and rhythms. Theater is a performative art form where actors perform live on a stage, portraying characters and telling stories. It combines elements like acting, set design, costumes, lighting, and sound to engage audiences in a shared experience. Dance is a physical art form that involves rhythmic movement of the body to express emotions, tell stories, or convey abstract concepts. It comes in various styles and genres, each with its own techniques, movements, and cultural influences. Visual arts. Visual arts encompass various creative disciplines that are primarily visual in nature. They are a vital part of cultural heritage, reflecting societal values, beliefs, and historical contexts. Visual arts provoke thought, inspire change, and communicate complex ideas without words, contributing to the aesthetic and intellectual environment and influencing fashion, design, architecture, and popular culture. Kinds of visual arts. Film is a visual storytelling medium that uses moving images and audio to convey narratives, ideas, and emotions. It involves a combination of cinematography, editing, sound design, and acting to create a complete audiovisual experience. Animation involves creating the illusion of motion by displaying a series of still images in rapid succession. It can be done through various techniques, such as traditional hand-drawn animation, computer-generated imagery, CGI, or stop-motion animation. Architecture is the art of designing functional and aesthetically pleasing physical spaces. It involves planning and constructing buildings for various purposes, blending practical considerations like safety and efficiency with artistic elements. Architecture shapes societies, reflects cultural values, and influences human experience and emotions through the built environment. Comics are visual storytelling mediums that use a combination of illustrations and text to convey narratives, ideas, and humor. They often use panels and sequential art to guide the reader through a story. Weaving is a textile art form that involves creating fabric by interlacing threads or yarns at right angles. It can produce intricate patterns and textures, and it has been used historically for both functional and artistic purposes. Documentation art captures real-life events, situations, or concepts through various artistic mediums like photography, videography, and written records. It aims to preserve and convey moments of reality for artistic or informative purposes. Example of performing arts: Anak Dadu of the Philippines. Batang Rizal. Rack of Aegis. Ramahari. Huling El Bimbo. Charat. Reamker of Cambodia. Camarapides II. Breaking the Silence. Junkyard Theatre of Thailand. Example of visual arts: Urduha of Philippines. Ramakian, animation of Cambodia. I hope you learn a lot in our video presentation. Stay tuned for more. God bless.